5 rainy day screen-free activities. This Bluey tent pops open in seconds, has a roll-up door and 2 peep-through windows, instant fun. When I tell you this gem activity has been the biggest hit, use the hammer and chisel to crack open the geodes, color matching gems inside, match them back together and play again and again, and it comes with a bag for easy storage. This STEM road builder puzzle game, complete each level by placing the start and finish piece and then figuring out how to connect them so the car can bring the marble to the finish. Also has a competitive 2-player mode. This Bluey hide and seek game, push her nose to start, go hide her, and she'll make little talking sounds and giggles to help you in the right direction. Push her nose again when you found her, and she'll play dance music to celebrate. If you love kinetic sand but not the mess, try this kit. Has so many toys to play with, comes with sand, and when you're done, just zip it all up together to store for another day.